Attention, business dynamos and tech enthusiasts. Have you ever dreamed of a versatile assistant that can handle an array of tasks, from addressing customer queries, drafting emails, and generating creative content, to brainstorming innovative ideas? Well, hold on to your seats because we're about to turn that dream into a tangible reality. Welcome to the world of ChatGPT, a remarkable artificial intelligence tool that could become the game changer in your business growth strategy. This video will guide you through the numerous capabilities of ChatGPT, showcasing how it can revolutionize customer service, streamline your content creation, and even extract invaluable insights from complex data. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's a wealth of knowledge yet to be uncovered. So why should you stay tuned? Because this exploration into the intersection of AI and business could provide the breakthrough your enterprise needs to soar to new heights. So let's dive into this thrilling journey of discovery and innovation. Understanding ChatGPT. First off, let's understand what ChatGPT is. It's a powerful AI language model based on OpenAI's GPT-4 architecture. Trained on a diverse range of internet text, ChatGPT can generate detailed, accurate, and human-like text. It's as if you're communicating with a knowledgeable companion that can grasp the essence of your inquiries and provide insightful responses. The application of ChatGPT in business is multifaceted, spanning areas like customer service, content creation, brainstorming, product development, and much more. Now let's break these down and see how each use case can facilitate your business growth. Customer service. Let's start with customer service. Offering fast, accurate, and efficient customer service can significantly enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. With ChatGPT, you can automate your customer service to operate 24/7, reducing wait times and ensuring that customers' queries are answered promptly. This can be accomplished by integrating ChatGPT into your customer service systems to handle common queries, complaints, or feedback. However, bear in mind that AI isn't perfect. ChatGPT is an excellent tool for dealing with repetitive and straightforward inquiries, but for more complex issues, human intervention is advisable. In such cases, ChatGPT can serve as a first line of interaction, escalating unresolved matters to human representatives. Content creation. Next up is content creation. High-quality, engaging, and informative content is an indispensable component of a successful marketing strategy. By using ChatGPT, you can expedite your content creation process. For instance, ChatGPT can help generate blog post ideas, create email newsletters, social media posts, product descriptions, or even write first drafts of articles. Although the content generated by ChatGPT might require human editing to refine the tone, style, and context, it's a great way to jumpstart the content creation process. This means you can produce more content in less time, boosting your marketing efforts and allowing your creative team to focus more on strategy and less on tedious tasks. Brainstorming and product development. Moving on to brainstorming and product development. The process of coming up with new ideas and refining them into viable products or services can be challenging. Here, ChatGPT can be used as a brainstorming partner. By asking it questions or seeking its input on different topics, you can generate a plethora of ideas. Its wide knowledge base can contribute innovative insights, fostering creativity and novelty. Remember, while ChatGPT can generate novel and diverse ideas, it does not replace the human touch and creativity. It serves as a tool to complement your ideation process and should be used in combination with human intuition, experience, and strategic thinking. Data analysis. Moreover, ChatGPT can assist in data analysis. Interpreting complex data and making strategic decisions based on this data is a vital aspect of business growth. With the appropriate integrations, you can use ChatGPT to explain complicated data, draw patterns, and make forecasts. It can turn dense data into easy-to-understand narratives, helping you make informed decisions. Keep in mind that while ChatGPT can aid in data interpretation, it should not be your sole decision-making tool. It's crucial to consider other factors and use the insights from ChatGPT as a part of your broader business analysis. Email correspondence. Let's discuss email correspondence. A lot of time in business is spent writing and responding to emails. ChatGPT can help draft emails, saving you valuable time. You can give it key points, and it will structure them into a professionally written email. It can even help with responses by suggesting possible replies based on the context of the email. Again, as with any AI technology, it's necessary to review and edit the outputs of ChatGPT to ensure the message aligns with your tone, style, and intention. Audience engagement. ChatGPT is not just a tool for internal business tasks, but it can also be a potent instrument for engaging with your audience. Today's consumers value interactivity and responsiveness from brands. Through implementing ChatGPT in your online platforms, you can engage with your audience on a much deeper level. For example, ChatGPT can handle comments and direct messages on your social media platforms, promptly answering simple queries or acknowledging user interactions. This ensures your audience feels heard and valued, which in turn boosts brand loyalty and customer satisfaction. Moreover, through continual interactions, the AI can gather valuable data about customer preferences and behavior, helping you tailor your marketing strategies accordingly. Educational tool. Moreover, ChatGPT can be an effective educational tool. If you're in the business of providing information, courses, or tutorials, ChatGPT can be an incredible asset. For example, it can be programmed to generate educational content, answer student queries, or even provide personalized learning support. This way, you can offer a more personalized and responsive learning experience to your users, setting your brand apart in the competitive e-learning market. Furthermore, the use of AI like ChatGPT in delivering education or training also demonstrates your brand's commitment to innovation, enhancing your reputation and credibility in the market. Remember, while ChatGPT can provide information based on its extensive training data, it's essential to ensure the accuracy and relevance of its outputs, particularly when it comes to educational content. Embracing innovation. There's no denying the tremendous impact that AI and innovative technologies like ChatGPT can have on your business. But it's equally important to understand that embracing such technologies isn't just about integrating them into your operations. It's about fostering a culture of innovation and adaptability within your business. As you begin to use ChatGPT, inspire your team to understand and engage with this AI assistant. Encourage them to explore its capabilities, not as a threat to their roles, but as an ally that enables them to shine in more strategic and creative aspects of their work. Remember, technological advancement and human creativity aren't mutually exclusive. Instead, they amplify each other's potential when used in harmony. Building trust with transparency. As you introduce AI like ChatGPT into customer-facing roles, it's critical to maintain transparency with your customers. Let them know when they're interacting with an AI. This not only fosters trust, but also sets the right expectations. While ChatGPT can simulate human-like interactions, there may be times where its responses might not fully meet a customer's expectations or nuances. Being upfront about using AI helps customers understand the boundaries of its capabilities and keeps their experience positive. ChatGPT and SEO. Another area where ChatGPT could prove invaluable is search engine optimization, SEO. SEO requires an understanding of ever-changing algorithms, keyword research, and the creation of high-quality, relevant content. ChatGPT, with its ability to generate human-like text, can assist in creating SEO-friendly content. Additionally, it can help maintain a steady flow of content, which is crucial for keeping your website and other platforms updated and optimized for search engines. Monitoring and learning. Like any other tool, using ChatGPT effectively requires monitoring and learning from its performance. Keep track of the areas where it excels and where it might need improvement. This not only helps you fine-tune its usage, but also provides invaluable insights into your operations and customer preferences. Regularly updating your AI strategy based on these insights ensures that you're leveraging ChatGPT to its fullest potential, driving your business towards growth and success. Recruitment and HR. Lastly, ChatGPT can play a significant role in recruitment and human resources. Sifting through numerous job applications and resumes can be a time-consuming process. ChatGPT can automate the initial screening process by scanning through applications and shortlisting candidates based on specified criteria. Similarly, in human resources, ChatGPT can be used to automate responses to frequently asked HR-related queries, saving significant time and resources. However, like other areas, it's important to note that ChatGPT should serve as an assistant to your HR team, handling repetitive tasks, while the more complex and sensitive tasks should be handled by human professionals. To sum up, ChatGPT is an incredibly versatile tool that can assist in numerous business functions. From customer service automation to creative brainstorming, the applications are extensive. Using ChatGPT can help streamline operations, enhance productivity, and provide unique insights, all leading to substantial business growth. However, it's essential to remember that while ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's not a replacement for human creativity, intuition, and strategic thinking. It's best used as a complement to your existing workforce, taking care of repetitive tasks and generating insights, freeing your team to focus on more complex and strategic tasks. So now that you've got a thorough understanding of how ChatGPT can benefit your business, it's time to dive in and start exploring its capabilities. In the rapidly evolving digital age, adapting and leveraging such innovative technologies can be a real game changer. So go ahead, take the plunge, and let ChatGPT help you scale new heights in your business journey.